In this video, I'm going to tell you how to not break the bank or your back in setting up a bedroom suite. So whether you're setting up a bedroom suite in your house or a vacation rental, a short-term rental or a mid-term rental, listen up, because this is what we have figured out over the years. And if you want to see some of the pieces that we actually use, make sure you check out the links in the description, because I'm going to share with you some of the actual pieces that I would purchase or have purchased if I were setting up a bedroom today in the very least expensive way for maximum results. What you want to do is you want to start on Amazon and you look for a headboard, just a headboard, a standalone headboard. Then you look for a metal frame that will attach to the headboard. Those are the first two things we figured out. But this third thing, oh my gosh, this third thing was the best trick we learned. And I'm getting ready to tell you more about it. But first, I want to tell you a little bit more about how you can decorate the bed to make it look fantastic. You can buy a bed skirt to go around the bottom of the bed that will cover up metal bed frame. For the bedding, you want to buy lightweight coverlet bedding, be easily washed when it's stained. I'll never want to have huge heavy bedding on beds in a short-term rental, long-term rental, mid-term rental. You want to go with something that's light and that is easy to throw in the washer, wash it, pull it back out, and then throw it back on the bed. You want to go with solid colors like a white so that you can bleach it if it gets stained. To the coverlet, the bed skirt, decorate it with huge pillows. This makes the bed look expensive and luxurious. Buy 2 nightstands or 1 nightstand, buy a dresser secondhand, paint it white, and put it in the bedroom. Look at my other YouTube videos and look at some of the sample rooms that we have created using this exact same method. Headboard, metal frame, light bedding, bed skirt, pillows. That's what you need. Then you go on to purchase a mattress in a box. So you have the mattress shipped to exactly the address where you're setting up this bedroom so that you don't have to pick it up. You undo the box, pull the mattress out, and it's going to fill up and sort of inflate or whatever on the bed, and so that you have a ready-made mattress. It's going to be more comfortable, less expensive, and less time-consuming than buying a traditional mattress. The last and final tip for a beautiful bedroom is use large pieces of wall art. You can buy wall art from thrift stores almost anywhere, or TJ Maxx or Marshalls. You can get beautiful large pieces of wall art, and it makes the bedroom really stand out. Make your bed the centerpiece of the bedroom so that all eyes go straight on the bed when you walk in the room. It is the best thing ever for staging a home if you're getting ready to rent it, or also for a furnished rental. Hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you want to see more. Thanks.